BJP delegation has arrived in Ayodhya. The three-member BJP delegation meets the victim's family. The victim, who is a 12-year-old who was allegedly gang raped by two people, one of whom is a member of the Samajwadi Party. That's the latest breaking news we're getting. The BJP delegation has arrived in Ayodhya and has met with the victim's family. The victim, who is a 12-year-old who was allegedly gang raped by two people, one of whom is a member of the Samajwadi Party. Let's listen in to UP Minister Narendra Kashyap.
पूरी रिपोर्ट राष्ट्रीय नेतृत्व को सुपुर्द करेंगे और जिन अत्याचारियों ने, दुराचारियों ने ये घटना घटित की है, हमारी सरकार उत्तर प्रदेश की किसी भी स्तर पर छोड़ने वाली नहीं है। डीएनए की जांच की बात की है अखिलेश यादव जी ने। अखिलेश यादव जी पीडीए की बात करते हो और ये मछुआरे समाज की बेटी का दर्द आपको नहीं दिखाई सुनाई पड़ा।
Samarth Srivastava is joining us live on the broadcast from Ayodhya. Samarth, the BJP delegation has landed in Ayodhya. They've also met the victim's family. What next? Is there a report that they're going to submit to the heads?
Well, obviously, the three-member committee of the BJP, the delegation of the BJP, reached Ayodhya a few minutes back and also met the family of the victim from where we are reporting. And the meet lasted for around 30 minutes, where UP Minister Narendra Kashyap, along with the Rajya Sabha MPs of the BJP, met the family. And while speaking to India Today TV, they said that they have met and condoled the family about the particular incident and have also assured that stern action will be taken against the culprits. Also, as the action was already initiated yesterday with the bulldozer action happening at the bakery of the Samajwadi Party functionary Mohit Khan, which has been named in the FIR of the gang rape. Also, when Raju Khan is also being named in the FIR in that particular connection. While the BJP is saying that Samajwadi Party is doing politics in this particular matter, while Samajwadi Party is saying to, in a way, get the DNA test done to get the truth on. So that's the thing coming in. While the BJP delegation has come here, though they arrived at around 12:30 p.m. and later on they'll also visit the hospital where the victim is admitted. While we'll also do a presser in the circuit house of Ayodhya and also hold meetings with the district administration and the SSP of Ayodhya, Raj Karan. So that's a big thing coming from Ayodhya, where the BJP delegation is coming here and meeting the families. While if you talk about actions, yes, the bulldozer action will continue in the multiplex now, as the shopkeepers have already vacated their shops in a way as that was called. The multiplex was called illegal by the Revenue Department of UP yesterday, as the DM said that the 1/3 portion of that multi-complex, being allegedly owned by Mohit Khan, will also be demolished.
Right. Thanks so much for bringing us all those details. Ayodhya rape horror has sent shockwaves across the nation. 12-year-old minor allegedly gang raped for over 2 months in Ayodhya by Samajwadi Party Neta Mohit Khan and his employee Raju Khan. FIR also says that Samajwadi Party Neta Jai Singh Rana threatened the victim's family and asked them to withdraw their case against Mohit Khan. Now politics is exploding over the rape horror, with BJP up in arms. Condemning the incident, Union Minister Giriraj Singh said that Akhilesh and Rahul are mum over the rape horror because accused name is Mohit Khan. Meanwhile, Akhilesh demanded DNA test of the accused to prove the allegations. Samajwadi Party chief also said that if allegations against Mohit are found to be fake, then government officials involved in the case should not be spared. Hitting out, NCPCR chief said that Akhilesh should show some humanity and think beyond caste, religion and DNA test. Amid this, a BJP delegation has met the victim's family in Ayodhya.
लड़की जो थी, लड़की का उस लड़के के साथ, जो राजू नाम का लड़का है, उसके साथ लड़की का अफेयर था।
राजू जो उनके साथ रहते थे?
जी, जो बेकरी में लड़का था, क्या
उम्र है उसकी?
उसकी उम्र होगी 20 साल। लड़की का अफेयर था उसके साथ। अगर लड़की 2 महीने 2.5 महीने की प्रेग्नेंट है, तो कैसे उसकी माँ को नहीं पता चला कि लड़की प्रेग्नेंट है?
तो आप जैसे बता रही हैं, जो आप पक्ष दे रही हैं, तो राजू जो है उनको भी अरेस्ट किया गया है। तो राजू ने क्या पुलिस को ये बात बताई है?
जी, राजू ने चीख कर, चिल्ला कर पूरे थाने में बयान दिया है कि चच्चा की कोई गलती नहीं है। चच्चा जो बेकसूर है, सिर्फ उनकी इतनी गलती है कि मैं उनकी बेकरी में काम करता हूँ।
बजरंग दल का जो व्यक्तिगत विषय है। बजरंग दल ऐसे विषयों से डरने वाला नहीं है और उसने आवाज को अपने पूरी तरीके से बुलंद किया और उसका परिणाम ये रहा कि पूरे जनपद का हिंदू समाज सामने आया और उसने हमारे साथ खड़े होकर के एक स्वर में कहा कि अपराधी के घर पर बुलडोजर चले, अपराधी को जेल की सलाखों के पीछे भेजा जाए और अपराधी को यहां से निस्तो नाबूद किया जाए, जिससे प्रदेश में, जनपद में यह संदेश जाए कि हाँ, अगर जो है हिंदुओं के खिलाफ कोई ऐसा षड्यंत्र करेगा तो उसे बजरंग दल और यहाँ का जो प्रदेश की वर्तमान सरकार है उसको समूल जड़ से नष्ट कर देगी।